Hello guys and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a pending transaction on Trust Wallet. Okay, so before I go into this video, there's something I'd like to say. First off, most transactions can't be cancelled on Trust Wallet. Like you're not getting your money back. Any mistakes you make while sending to an address, that's why you have to confirm before you send any crypto assets to any wallet. Even if a digit or an alphabet is wrong, you could be sending totally to a strange wallet and they might not send that money back. So you have to be careful, like actually careful while sending crypto. So let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to cancel a pending transaction. First of all, you're going to have to open up Trust Wallet. And while you're opening up Trust Wallet, don't forget, you always have to make sure you have some crypto assets on your device. For example, now, I've been trying to send some BNB to a wallet address, which is actually mine for the purpose of this video. Here are my wallet addresses. You copy it, and currently it's pending. What we'd be doing in order to speed up our transaction, or rather cancel our transaction, because due to the nonce, I don't think this transaction is ever going to occur. It's at 35. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to send. We'll first copy our wallet address, head back to send, paste in the wallet address, switch the currency to USD. That's when I say switch the currency to USD, that means the input method is going to be in dollars instead of BNB. So we're going to be using 0.03. Now we're going to be clicking on continue. If you could remember, guys, from the previous transfer we made, the pending transfer, our nonce was 35 and the gas limit of fee was 5. Gas price was 5. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking down our nonce to about 5. And hopefully this is going to speed up the transaction. Everything is going to cost 0.06. Hold on. Everything is going to cost 0.06. You save. You click on save. You click on confirm. Nonce too low. Okay, we'll be taking it up a notch, I guess, probably to 7. Save. Nonce is still too low. Okay, this could be a result of the other transfer that hasn't gone through. Continue. Let's see what we can do here. Let's put it at 15. Okay, and it's moving through. The nonce is 15. Other transactions were 14, 13. So we're using 15. Okay, and it's done, completed. That's the difference between all of them. This nonce is 35 and the other is 15. If you increase your nonce, it's going to take more time for your crypto to arrive. But if you reduce your nonce, it's going to be faster. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Comment down below if you have any questions on how to cancel transactions on Trust Wallet.